Oh, these the sneakers I had to buy off Instagram. Okay. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And this one here is a little special to me because it's very rare I get in front of the camera and show y'all a New Balance. I think I only did it 2 other times. I know my first ever New Balance was a Bodega. After that, I did the Salim, Simberry, Bimberry, Yurts. Go check both of those out. Those are dope. But to be honest, just off pulling it out the box, this is the favorite of my New Balances that I've ever owned. Crazy colorway, man. Hit the B-roll. On the soundtrack. Yes, sir. So as I said before, when it comes to New Balance, I'm a bit of a novice. Even the number structure to me is like kind of weird. It's something I gotta get to know and learn. But I know Joe Freshgoods and New Balance collabs a lot. I know every time I see a Joe Freshgoods collab, it happens to be with New Balance. But this one here is, and it has to be a newer model, newer series. I think it's called the 9060. So this is definitely a newer model. A lot of sneakers are going with the bulky absorb at the bottom. Even the Yurt that I reviewed, I remember, had all of this at the bottom. But this one here is titled Inside Voices. And I guess that's why on the box you can see it says shh. So I mean, this is a nice, sexy summer sneaker, man. So without further ado, let's get into a full in-depth review. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Joe Freshgoods knows presentation, man. The Cloud New Balance logo on the box is super dope. As I told y'all, the sneaker screams summer at you. And look at the box, man. Nice, colorful cloud. On the top of the box here, you have Made for Us. The bottom portion, you have the New Balance logo, or words. The Joe Freshgoods logo there. And on here, you have the sizing. On the inside of the box itself, it says, shh, be quiet, our imaginations are speaking. Very dope, man. Same color as the outside of the box. Then you get the same color tissue paper inside. So let me give y'all a 360 view of the sneaker before I say anything at all. This color palette is super dope, guys. The pink or the strawberry, anything berry you want to name it, with that nice blue aqua green teal, you know that color, and then to mix it in with baby blue light at the bottom that looks white, sometimes look gray. That's just dope, man. Dope New Balance, man. I love everything about this sneaker so far. So start at the toe box. You got a mesh material here, very soft. So I'm guessing we just going with pink here because the nickname for the sneaker is Pink Cookies. And that's exactly what you get at the toe box. You see the pink around here, these brown undertones can can match the cookie color. It does look like a pink cookie. More like ice cream to me, but dope look. So it comes in your pink also shoelaces, but you also get the brown and the white colorway also in the green. I like the pink though. I mean, the green will actually pop too because you do have green accents all through the sneaker. But I like the pink that's in it. So yeah, you get that nubuck suede all the way up. The nubuck suede starts to get rough a little bit the more you go up. It goes from like, you know, light, soft. It gets a little rough as the sneaker goes up. Then you got a tag here that reads 9060. That's the model of the sneaker as I told y'all before. You also got another green tab on the tongue that reads 9060 also. Why does it have to say 9060 all these times? I don't know, but it says it a couple of times. There's two there. On the back heel, you have JFG there, Joe Freshgoods logo. And right here, it says Voices in an embroidered, thick logo. This is like a fitted hat material, thick embroidered logo. This logo here pops up off the sneaker, way up. Almost as much as this glass plastic thing here that reads New Balance. This comes out a lot. Way more than the Voices, of course. And almost as much as the bottom where your absorbed material is. I think I remember seeing these on the Yurt when I did the Yurt review. The same technology, the absorb. It's kind of like New Balance's Boost technology, but this is like over the moon. Thick, big rubber material at the bottom of this sneaker. But I like this crunch here. The green to the pink to the white. Very dope. So it doesn't make this look too bulky because they matched it with colors. So it doesn't look that bulky to me. Y'all let me know in the comment section below, does this look bulky? I know the Yurt one looked bulky and it had a whistle, if I can remember right. These ones look more of a Balenciaga type design shoe to me. This was in the inside of the shoe. But let me move that so I can show you guys the insoles. So the insoles, remembrance of the box a little bit, but I think this is like a little darker berry pink to me than the box. But there go the logo that you see on the inside of your right shoe. The bottom has little diamonds. And like I told you, kind of similar to the Boost technology, but way thicker. Way more rubber, of course. And I like these nice diamond designs at the bottom. So as the right side said Voices, the left side says Inside. That's the name of the sneaker, Inside Voices. So this is the left shoe here. Nothing's changed but the inside instead of the Voices on the back. The FG is still the same in the insole. And I failed to mention the bed mattress material comfort of the inside of the sneaker. As you see, it's made to resemble a bed frame mattress. As you can see, the little lines and dots. Similar to the Armand Meunier 3s. I had this same thing, but I think the Armand Meuniers was going more for a luxury look with the diamond dot, the diamond material on the back. This one here is made straight for comfort. As far as presentation, man, this sneaker is super dope. Whether you call it Inside Voices or Pink Cookies, the presentation and the design of the sneaker resembles both. You got the Pink Cookie mashup look, and then with the Inside Voices on the box, it says shh. Then you put Inside on one and Voices on the other sneaker. Whatever you want to call this sneaker, it definitely answers that bell. As far as New Balance, I think this is dope. This looks more like a luxury New Balance. Like I told you, it resembles the Balenciaga all at the bottom to me. 9060, a New Balance model. I think this is dope, and I think this sneaker here, along with Kawhi Leonard, is going to get more eyes on this sneaker, man. Let me know in the comment section below, was y'all able to cop? I just was on Instagram, and I got a tweet from Soul Links, and I said, why not? You know what I mean? So that's how I got them, man. And I'm going to keep them. I really like these, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich. Jones on the soundtrack.